Hurry up and clean those dirty floors. My hands are hurting very badly, Mom.
Stop complaining. Max needs hot dinner immediately.
That's my smart girl. You deserve the best.
50 amazing toys are in here. Why do they hate me so much?
We must be very careful now.
The secret will is safely hidden.
Grandma left her entire fortune to Tom.
She gave him the huge house, too.
She did?
We cannot let him know this.
We will keep all the cookies in the top cabinet.
We will enjoy them slowly, one by one.
Max will inherit everything eventually.
They're stealing my future.
The real will is inside the metal safe.
The safe is in the dark library.
Nobody will ever find it there.
You are a very smart woman.
Leo is such a weak, foolish boy.
He will never escape this house.
I am not foolish. I remember Dad's birthday code for the safe. There, the heavy metal safe. It worked! I'm inside. This is it. This is my will. Grandma left everything to me legally. I must leave this house tonight. Heavy footsteps in the hallway. Please don't find me here.
Is anybody hiding in here tonight? It's just the empty dark. Nothing here.
That was incredibly close. I must act very quickly now. I need to leave right now. It's a very far drop. This rope should hold me. There we go. Here I go, almost there. I'm finally out of this terrible house. The police station is 2 miles away.
I hear a strange scraping noise outside.
It's probably just a street cat.
Mm-hmm.
Tom, where are you? It's time for your chores. The window is open. The boy escaped. The boy climbed out with bed sheets.
Check the metal safe in the library immediately.
The safe is completely empty.
Where is the golden envelope?
The boy has it!
Timo,
We must find him before police.
Our lives will be ruined forever if we don't.
a police car! I see a police car! Please stop! Please see me! My legs are hurting incredibly badly now. But I'm almost at the safe place.
Are you okay, young man? What happened to you?
My parents kept me locked in attic. They stole my massive inheritance money. This is my grandmother's will.
There is my poor son!
He runs away constantly.
He tells terrible, wild lies often.
Wait. I'm reading this document.
This is a highly official legal document. It is signed by a powerful judge.
They are greedy, terrible thieves.
You cannot lie to me today.
We are in terrible trouble.
You are being detained for serious theft and child endangerment.
Do not put me in jail! I'm losing my huge, beautiful mansion!
You are a very brave, smart boy.
You own the entire estate now. I will sell that terrible, dark house tomorrow. I will buy a bright, beautiful new home. I will never be cold again. Do you know what I've learned today? What do you mean, officer?
Good people always win the biggest fights.
You have a brilliant future ahead of you, Tom.
I defeated my cruel, greedy parents today. And I did it all by myself.
You sure did, young man. You sure did.
Thank you for helping me.
That's what we're here for.
Everything is going to be different now.